and we had a question from Raju Bazumatari, who's based in Toronto. And Raju had a question for you, which was, based on neuroscience research and training machine learning models, what advice do you have for everyday folks to build their faculties? And it kind of sounds like we have a practical answer here. It sounds like taking advantage of this spatial relationship in learning. Like, there might be something about if you go to a new place to learn something new, it might be easier to remember that new thing because you can kind of associate it with that space in your mind. Does that seem like a reasonable kind of...
Absolutely. I mean, so I think I should probably direct this, like, in answering this question, appeal more to the specific topics I study. I think that, like, the first things that come to mind is, like, probably just exercise and getting a lot of sleep are the single best things you can do for your brain. But yeah, I think a key so in Alzheimer's, for instance, or in developing, as the brain ages and loses some of its cognitive faculties, one of the main signatures of this is that you get a worse coordination between hippocampus and prefrontal cortex. The hippocampus isn't talking to the rest of the brain quite as well. And some of the things that have been shown to delay this are exercise and sleep is supposed to help a lot. And other things are just continuing to cognitively stretch your brain in new ways, like exploring novel environments, probably something in that category. Crosswords is something people talk about. Like, continue searching. Yeah, exactly. Continue searching your memory, continue doing new things, continue to, like, mix and match ideas and experiences in new ways. I think also just trying to do things, this almost sounds too positive to be true, but I think doing things that you enjoy or find salient or stimulating in some way, those are the kinds of things that wash hippocampus with dopamine, get a bunch of new neurons to stick around. That kind of, like, salient input is really useful for having a healthy hippocampus. In fact, in depression, hippocampal volume tends to go down. There's less, the hypothesis at least being that you just have fewer joyful or otherwise salient things breaking through and exciting hippocampus.